Let me show you how to make shadows in Canva. Open Canva, create a new project. Click the background, change your background color to suit your project. Select the image you want to edit and use the BG Remover tool to delete the background. Now duplicate your image. For the duplicate, click the Edit. Go to Duotone and choose Custom. Change both colors to solid black. Back to Edit and apply blur to the whole image. Increase the blur intensity until you get the perfect soft shadow. Now go to the position. Position this dark version below your original image. Adjust the transparency to around 50% for a natural shadow effect. Here's your final result with a realistic shadow effect.